Agriculture is a system that involves cultivation, management, and production of commodities. It can be done systematically and organized or unorganized. Agriculture plays an essential role in our everyday lives because it is the source of our food and income. Throughout the years, there are many agriculture systems and practices. One of the many agricultural systems is hydroponics. Now, what is hydroponics? Hydroponics is a technique of growing plants using a water-based nutrient solution rather than using soil. It is a high production system and can produce high-quality crops. Now, did you know that the word hydroponics originated from the combination of the Greek words hydro, which means water, and ponos, which means labor. So the literal meaning of hydroponics is water labor. Hydroponics has been recognized as a practical method of producing vegetables such as lettuce, as well as ornamental plants like herbs. There are many varieties of hydroponic techniques, and not only that, there are benefits and disadvantages of this system as well. Now, in this video, we will discuss all that you need to know about hydroponics. So, let's get started.
Hydroponics has been proven as the innovative agriculture that is needed in these global days. The invention of hydroponics can grow food in a controlled environment with less water and in a higher yields. In 19th century, Julius Sachs, who is a German botanist at the University of Würzburg, found out that plants did not need to grow in soil but only needed the nutrients that are derived from microorganisms that live in the soil. He then published the nutrient solution formula for growing plants in water. It contains 3 nutrients from air, which are carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, and 13 nutrients from supplemented water such as calcium, magnesium, sulfur, and more. Nowadays, hydroponic systems are very sophisticated as they are systems that will monitor the level of nutrients, pH, and temperature of water, and the amount of light the plants are receiving.
Okay, next is type of hydroponics. There is different kind of hydroponics exist. Firstly, we will have a look at weak hydroponic system. Weak hydroponic system draws nutrient-rich water up from a water reservoir to the root system zones, and plant roots develop downward through the medium, and the root may access air or oxygen thanks to the growth media. Moving to the next part, the rough hydroponics. The roots of the plants are suspended in nutrient-rich water while they are situated on a floating surface, and aquarium-style pumps add oxygen to the water which the water absorbs. And next is ebb and flow hydroponic system. The ebb and flow hydroponic system are widely used today, and roots of plants are spread through the surface. Water that contains nutrients is frequently pumped to the root zone region and then allowed to drain back into the water reservoir. And actually, there are numerous types of other hydroponic systems. For example, air gap hydroponics, top feeder hydroponic systems, nutrient film techniques, and aeroponic system. And the innovation of hydroponic is keep ongoing nowadays, and it has been improving days by days.
Now, let's move to the advantage of hydroponic. Firstly, hydroponic uses less water compared to traditional methods. It is because of the nutrient solution is reused multiple times. The roots also get the water immediately, which means less water loss to evaporation. Secondly, hydroponic also produces higher yields of fruits and vegetables in dense space, since the nutrients delivered directly to the root. The root do not need to grow bigger to find the nutrient and moisture. Lastly, hydroponic introduces greater quality foods. The plant's requirements such as the pH level of the water, nutrient content of the water, amount and type of light can be controlled. Hydroponic also let the fruits ripen naturally, which is more nutrients and better taste.
Previously, we learned that hydroponics produce great quality of food, but there are several disadvantages of hydroponics that makes farmers especially become discouraged to use this system. First, to acquire and build this system really invests a lot of money, especially if you want to make a large-scale hydroponic farm. This also gives negative effect to the market sale because the crops from this farm will be expensive compared to the traditional one. Next, hydroponic system require constant monitoring and maintenance, especially nutrient solution. This to prevent damage to the system due to build-up and clogging from nutrient solution. The main problem for the system is waterborne disease. Circulating water system will make disease spread quickly from one plant to another plant. This result of sharing the same nutrient solution throughout the entire system. Lastly is the production of algae bloom in the hydroponic system. This will take away all nutrients from the plants. This will cause plant failure and worse, death if not managed properly.
To sum up, revolutionary form of agriculture like hydroponic is crucial. However, the hydroponic system has its flaws. More research and innovation are needed so that hydroponic system won't be a burden to the farmers while still supporting the agricultural needs of the economy. That's it from us. Happy farming! Thank you!